Today's tip is to connect with your vision. And a vision has two components to it when it comes to organizing. The first component is to connect with your why, and the second is to connect with your what. So when you're connecting with your why, it's your vision for your larger picture for your life. And it has to do with values. It's your value to spend more time with your children and to spend less time moving things around in the family room so that you can spend time together with your children. Is your vision and your values to be more productive in your home office? You perhaps have a vision of yourself as a relaxed, productive entrepreneur, a relaxed, productive home-based office where you can get things done on a timely and effective basis. That's the larger vision of why am I bothering to organize? It's really important to connect with that larger vision, the larger why of organizing, because when the decisions get tough and the organizing gets tough, it will help you to stay motivated. The second connect with your vision is the what. What is it that you're actually trying to accomplish? Do you want to see less paper files in your filing cabinet? Or perhaps you'd like to see the filing cabinet gone altogether. Do you want to see all the toddler toys gone from the playroom in order that you can have a table where your preteen children and your family, the rest of you, can play games or build Lego? You don't have any toddlers in the family any longer, but your playroom is full of toddler toys. Do you want to see the toddler toys gone from the garage? Or perhaps your kids have left home and you'd like to see your garage cleared of the kids' belongings and a space where you can perhaps put your car in. So the importance of keeping a vision of the what you're trying to accomplish is it will help direct your activity in what you need to do next. What do I need to do to get to that vision? So today's tip is to connect with the vision, the larger vision of why am I organizing, and the more specific vision of what am I trying to accomplish. I'd love to hear from you, so my ask today is to tell us about an organizing project that you're working on. What was your why? Why was it important to you? What was your what? What were you trying to accomplish? And how close did you get? Send them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And I'll look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Bye now.